This is Papa Ron first set up solar panel for the Ecoflow. Stick around for 3-minute guide for beginners like Papa Ron. Introducing the captivating Papa Ron Power Station Ecoflow River 2, a marvel that merges sustainability and innovation. To uncover its allure, embark on a journey of discovery and witness firsthand the mesmerizing prowess of this remarkable energy haven. Let's go! Time to set up. This will be Papa Ron's first experience to set up the solar panel. First, we need to remove the screws from the roof. This will take little time if you don't have power tools. So be patient, guys. Next, we need to put sealant to cover the holes. Make sure to use a durable and long-lasting sealant for the roof. This will prevent leaking if there is a coming strong storm and rain. Next, time to place the T-foot. This is little bit exhausting, guys. So if you have power tools, much better. For now, let's just be patient and let's finish this task. We can do this. Now, time to place the railings. Make sure to get it right. This is little bit tricky. The solar panel is quite heavy. One mistake and it is goodbye. Once you get it, make sure to screw it tightly and properly. Next, time to place the end clamp. Just like the railings, we must place and screw it properly. This will hold the solar. We will feel at ease if there is heavy storm coming or strong winds. And tada! Solar setup is done. Congratulations, Papa Ron. Time to test it in the Ecoflow if it is 100% working. Connect MC4 connectors properly. Hide it underneath the solar panel. Now connect the XT60 connector at back of the Ecoflow River 2. And wow! Congratulations, Papa Ron! All is working. Ecoflow able to detect the solar panel charging.